Hello everyone, I'm going to talk to you a bit about the slip joint. Tried something new with it. It's something that I haven't seen before on a slip joint, but I'm gonna talk about it a bit later. As you can see, snaps in really nice. Closes really nice. But this is a little bit loose. The reason for that is so you can remove the scales. Loosen up the pivot. So after you remove the pivot, you can take out the blade. I'm gonna do that because, as you can see, it's a bit of a pain to get the spacers. Well, not the spacers, the washers in the right place. So, so basically now you can remove the scales if you want. I'm gonna show you. But make sure they're in the right place. And clean the knife. Just clean it all up. Do whatever you want. Replace the scales. Now you can just put it all back together. For the pivot, just take it to the so-called half stop. Take the pivot. Make sure that everything's in line. Snap the pivot in. Use the pivot screw. Just screw that down. And there you've replaced or cleaned slip joint knife. As you can see, still closes. Depending on how tight you pull on it, you can adjust this. Nice and centered. It's a bit off center at the moment, but just tighten the pivot screw and it's all back in place. So that's it on the slip joint. Now I'm gonna sharpen it and we'll see.